In 1871, that cultural tension would come to a head at Fisk University in Nashville. At a time when minstrel shows were dominating the American stage, the school's choral director hit on the idea of a concert tour featuring his colored Christian singers performing slave songs and spirituals that would appeal to white audiences and raise desperately needed funds.
Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home.
Tell Dwight Andrews I'm coming.
That's it. Coming for to carry me home.
The spirituals were really melodies without accompaniment. And then over generations, we adapted them, adopted them, arranged them. Those arrangements that were occurring, you know, in the 1870s.
Oh, from Fisk Jubilee Singers.
From the Fisk Jubilee Singers, the Hampton groups. But they were quite different from the simple folk songs that had a single melody and repeated over and over.
Yeah, because they had a white audience. They were trying to clean up the folk tradition in a way. Dress it up in a suit and tie, metaphorically. Right.